How to invest in stock for beginners. In today's video, I'm going to give you a way you can invest in stock as a beginner. Okay, what you need to know, the companies you can buy stock from, and at the end of the day, you earn profits from it. Okay, so don't skip this video. This video gonna help you know everything about stock. Okay, so I don't want to waste my time. Let's go straight to the point. When it says stock, it's a fixed amount of money in the company. Okay, so when you buy stock in any of company here in Ghana, you become a part of that company. And when the company work very hard and earn profit, at the end of the day, the company will pay you a dividend. Okay, so you become a part of that company and you become a shareholder. Okay, so there are so many companies here you can invest stock with. Okay, in here in Ghana. Okay, so these are some of the companies here in Ghana. We have MTN Ghana, we have Farmer Ghana, we have Guinness, we have Total, and then we have EcoBank. Okay, so there are so many companies here. If you want to buy a stock from, these are some of the companies. Okay, and let me tell you this: for stock, you can't walk straight to that company. Let's say you want to invest in Total company. Okay, there's no way you can walk straight forward to them and then give them the money one or and give them the money and say that I want to invest in your company. No, what you need to know is you have to create an account. That account called a brokerage account, and government has give some people a license. Okay, so you go to them and then they will they will create the brokerage account for you. Okay, and the one thing is that if you don't want to go straight to their office, there are some way you can do it by yourself. Okay, so these people, we have data bank brokers, we have Stanbic Security, and then we have IC Limited. Okay, so these people are those who government has give them a license, so they will create a brokerage account for you. Okay, so you can do it by yourself. You can download their app on Google Play Store and then create account by yourself on their app. Okay, I see Security Limited have an app on Play Store. If you don't want to walk straight to their office, you can download this app from Play Store and then follow the step by step and then create your own brokerage account and then debit the amount of money you want to invest in that company. The same as Stanbic Security. Stanbic Security also have an app you can download and then create your brokerage account. Okay, so after that, then you pay the amount of money you want to invest in any of the company you want to buy their stock here in Ghana. Okay, so they will they will teach you a step by step on how to create the account, okay, on the app. And the same as data bank broking. Also, they have app on Play Store. It's available for you. Then you can go to Play Store and then download this app and then create your brokerage account and invest your first money. Okay, so if you don't want to do it by yourself or you don't want to use any app, and let me tell you this, for the app link your you can link your Momo account or your bank account. Okay, so you can send money from your bank account through the app. Okay, so you can use your bank account and link it through the app or your Momo account. If your money is very huge, okay, you can transfer it from your at a bank account and use to buy any stock you want to buy in any of these companies here in Ghana. If you don't want that one also, I already made video about that. Okay, so how you can go to their office and then you give um they will create a brokerage account for you. Okay, so you can come to my channel and then watch that video step by step. I have already teach everything. Okay, so after that, then you invest any amount you want to invest in any of these companies. And keep in mind that investments always come at risks. And I am here to give you this information I'm giving you is for my advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, so all this information that I give to you is from my experience. So before investing in any of these companies, see your financial advisor before. Okay, and let me tell you all. Let me tell you this also. Like when I invest in any of these companies, it doesn't mean when you save. Let's say you want to buy a stock from farmer and only 1 month you want a bunch money from it. No, that's not how to invest. If you want a bunch money, then you have to invest for long, not just a month, a 3 months, and you want a huge amount from it. No, we don't invest like that. Okay, so if you want a huge amount of interest from it, then save long and make sure don't go and then borrow money to come and invest. No, or go. Let's say you are a student and you use your school fees to invest so that you earn interest from it. No, because as I said, investment comes at risk. Either you get some interest or lose some of your money. Okay, so make take note of that. Okay, so we don't borrow money to do investment, or we don't use our rent, our school fees to do investment. Okay, if you want to invest the money that you are going to keep it in your savings account without at the end of the day getting anything from it, use that money to invest it and earn interest. Okay, not loan or no, you don't invest in that. Okay, so if you're a beginner, this is a simple way you can follow and then invest in stock here in Ghana. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, here is Profit Mind channel. Don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching it, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe for pizza. Bye.